the calendar view. Now, as the name suggests itself, it is going to display the tasks and dates in a calendar format. This is very much ideal for scheduling and seeing your tasks over your time, like over a time in a calendar centric format. Okay. To keep a look and an ideal approach in case if the team is working in a more, timeline basis. The beauty here is that you can sync this with external calendars as well. For example, Google Calendar, which we really use a lot in our day to day life. You can view your tasks, arranging them by maybe day, week, or month. You can track your deadlines, meetings, events, and so on. Let's go to the UI and see how calendar view looks like there. Now, I have switched the view to be calendar view, and you can see currently I have arranged it on the month basis. You can select as per your requirement. Okay. It will give you the option to enable like sync it with Google Calendar as well. And the color coding options, you can see it makes it so easier for us to understand, okay, this is going to start from when and where and so on. All right. So this is how the calendar view looks like.